Hello everyone, my name is Alex Hackney and this is my final product here for the Above and Beyond movie poster that we created here in the class. Hopefully my audio is okay. Just kind of bear with me if it's rough. I need to probably go pick up a different one. But to get started, we were to bring all the files in to Photoshop. I downloaded the files from the Airborne folder here, which gave me these files here, the rating, the sun whites, the tantamount whites, and the title. And I brought those all in through a file and open and just and brought them in here and it placed them up here. Then it was my job to find some pictures that would not only reflect the 1940s but also the U.S. Airborne Unit, who were the parachuters who suffered some casualties, which I decided with this old plane photo here. That's actually the edited version here, but the original came in, and this all my files from online came in as JPEG, so I had to file and save as the .psds to give me some more control over them. But I liked this image because I thought it represented the after events pretty well with the rundown airplane here in the present day, and then to to bring in the paratroopers, I found this file here. Um, I wanted to go with an entire grayscale theme, but as you can tell by my final product, it didn't settle as that. But so to do that, I decided I would just do part of it that way. So with this image, I actually adjusted it into the image selection up here and adjustments and did the black and white and just left it as default. And it did a pretty good job of getting what I wanted out of it. And I actually left it as that. Um, then with my old plane, thought I would set the black and white paratroopers photo up here. But I wanted to get rid of this sky, so I actually did this. I tried it with the select color range. I was having a hard time getting it exactly how I wanted it, and it was really nice because of the contrast with the blue and then this foreground here. Actually using the quick selection tool and just selecting the sky, and as you can see just from this part of it, it did a very good job, exactly what I was wanting to do. And to get the rest of it, I just kind of drug it through this way and it selected it and just deleted that, and that gave me this image here. So with that, I came in and this back to my final project. I copied and pasted all of these layers here, and then pasted them into this, so I had all the layers over here together where I could had more control over them. And so they weren't exactly laid out like this, obviously, but all this was laid out by just using the selection tool and selecting each one and moving it about where I wanted it. And as you can tell from my title, I brought it in as this grayscaled image, and the title wasn't popping, and it didn't seem like that is something that a movie company would want, is their title being hidden against all the busyness in here, because it is kind of a busy poster, but I still like the feel of it. So and then to get to this red color, I went to the image adjustments and then the color balance. And then in each of the shadows, midtones, and the highlights, I took this uh, level here from the cyan to red and put them all at red, which gave me this really nice bright red pop that I was wanting. As far as the tantamount sun pictures and the rating tag here, I used the free transform on those, with selecting those and then using the shortcut, the Control T, and just adjusting those to fit them exactly where they're at right now. So being that it was a collaboration, I left these two guys together. I had originally had them separated with the film is night right in the middle, but it just looked strange to me, so I switched that up. And then finally, to get to this point, it was really just a matter of putting the layers where I wanted them and um, getting the image behind and stuff fitted exactly, laid out how I wanted it. And then it was just a matter of the file and saving as both the TIFF file, and then once that was saved, saving as a BSD file. So there we have it. Thanks.